Hi everyone, welcome back to a new episode of Apps Academy. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can sign up for your Pluto TV's account. Keep watching the video till the end. To sign up for your Pluto TV's account, firstly go ahead and launch open any web browser of your preference. On the search box at the top, type in my.pluto.tv and make a search. The official page of Pluto TV's account will appear on the screen. Click on Sign Up for Free option. Enter your first name and your email address. Create a password for your Pluto TV's account and select your birth year, then tap on Sign Up for Free. This is how you can sign up for your Pluto TV's account quickly and easily, just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also, press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.